Hello guys, this is Boy to Wonder, and I have a new video out here today about the metroPCS BYOD explained and new phones for metroPCS. Anyway, let's continue. Before I continue, I am just a YouTuber, just explaining to the subscribers and those who watch my videos about the BYOD program. So for whoever's out there thinking I'm trying to steal something, I am not. I'm just trying to explain to my subscribers about the BYOD program at metroPCS. Since I got it out of the way, let me go ahead and continue. Anyway, so the first, this is the new phones. Okay, they got the Alcatel 768. I did a video on that about 3 days ago. They got the LG Optimus L9 and the Samsung Galaxy Exhibit. You can check the specs on here if you want to pause the video just to get an understanding. Basically, the Alcatel 768 is a feature phone, more for older folks. Little kids, 7, 8-year-old kids. They don't really need a smartphone. And they got the LG Optimus L9 and the Samsung Galaxy Exhibit, both Android phones. You already get the drift. Anyway, these phones are not in every city. Right now, I am in South Florida. It is not available in my city in South Florida, but it is available in Boston, Hartford, and Texas as of June 12th, 2013. All right, let me go to the next slide. Anyway, so let me explain to you what BYOD means. Bring your own device. About 3-4 years ago, I believe, metroPCS did have their own BYOD program. You were able to go to Sprint or Verizon or any CDMA-based network, and you were able to bring that phone into Metro, and Metro was able to hook it up for you and be able to use that network. But there were some gimmicks. You wasn't able to use the internet. You will only be able to use text and calling on the phone at the time. But now it's a different story. It's actually switched around because now the BYOD program allows GSM-enabled devices that are unlocked to be used on metroPCS's 4G or 3G network. The purpose of the BYOD program is to bring those consumers who do not want to be locked in a contract to bring their own GSM-enabled device to Metro, so when Metro and T-Mobile networks combine, those customers will be part of T-Mobile in 2015. Just to let you guys know, this is why this is out here. Anyway, let's continue. In order to use the BYOD program, your phone needs to be a GSM-enabled device. That's all I said is switch the tables. The only CDMA devices that will work will be Verizon's and Sprint's iPhone 5. There will be no Blackberries that will work on the BYOD program. And certain feature phones will be allowed. Your GSM-enabled device needs to be already off contract plus unlocked from the carrier that it was previous from. Okay, you can also port your number, but you will need to be cut off with your previous carrier again. You will also need to purchase a GSM-enabled SIM card from metroPCS. You cannot use the original SIM card that came with your phone. So if you got contacts on your phone, if you got pictures or anything, but I think mainly contacts that's connected with your SIM card, you need to sync it, write it down. If you got an Android, sync it up with the Gmail. If you got Apple, sync it up with iCloud or iTunes. Anyway, if you want to place that metroPCS SIM card that you just bought, for example, your HTC Windows Phone 8X, which is a phone that works with the service, but you want to put it into your AT&T iPhone 5, which also does work with the service, you can actually do that, but you would have to go to a metroPCS store to get your SIM card paired with the device every time you switch your phone with that SIM card. Okay? This BYOD program is not available in all cities again. The cities that is available is Boston, Dallas, Hartford, and Las Vegas. So I'm in South Florida. I have to wait. Ain't cool, but you gotta wait. Anyway, and this is as of June 12th, 2013. Later, more cities will be added, so don't worry later on. Hopefully, we get it down in sunny South Florida. Anyway, you can either pay $40, $50, or $60, depending on the data plan that you want to receive. Anyway, let's continue. How to know if your phone is eligible. So, first you go to www.metropcs.com/keep your phone. All right, go there. You're gonna see. Well, I got screenshots here. You'll see, is your phone compatible? You type in your model or your manufacturer number, and try to find your model number too, to be exact, so you know exactly what the phone is. So, for instance, I'm using today the HTC Windows Phone 8X. On the bottom of that, you'll see, congratulations, your HTC Phone 8X is compatible. Next slide will say, is your phone unlocked? Yes, no, I'm not sure. Yes. How do you know my phone is unlocked? If you can pull service when a different SIM card is inserted, then it is likely unlocked. Otherwise, if you put another SIM card, let's say you put T-Mobile SIM card in AT&T, in an AT&T phone, and the phone says cannot be activated, that means that your phone is not unlocked. So, hopefully your phone is unlocked. But if it is, congratulations, your phone appears to be eligible for our network. Check out our nationwide coverage. And the nationwide coverage does come from T-Mobile's GSM network, which is also running with metroPCS's 4G network. Basically, it's a big hybrid that we're talking about here. Anyway, like I said before, go to www.metropcs.com/keep-your-phone. Anyway, let's talk about the iPhone, because the iPhone is a special unit when it comes to this service. Not all iPhones will work with the metroPCS BYOD program, and the reason being because all Verizon's and Sprint's iPhone 4 and 4S does not work with the BYOD program, only their iPhone 5. All of AT&T's iPhones, from the original iPhone all the way up to the iPhone 5, works with the network that Metro will provide. That is why I said not none CDMA feature phone or Android phone that is CDMA based cannot work. So you can't get the Droid Razr Max on Metro. Sorry. You can get the Nexus, the Google Nexus from Google.com, and you get that actually put on there. Anyway, the types of SIM cards you got. You have standard, micro, and nano. Just a bit of definition. The SIM card is the central host of a GSM-enabled phone. It's basically the brain of the phone. Runs everything for you, and you cannot do anything unless you have the SIM card in your phone, literally. If you have a GSM phone. There are, like I said, three types of SIM cards today. As of today, you got standard, micro, and nano. metroPCS sells all three to benefit the slot of your smartphone. So if you got a micro size, nano size, or you got standard, Metro got it for you to hook you up. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. You guys are amazing. Okay, it took me a lot of work, a lot of time to actually put this video together because I was busy going to work. And yesterday when I found out about this, actually popping up on metropcs.com, and I wanted to do a video, but I did do a quick video before on my phone and try to put on YouTube. But hey guys, you guys are amazing. I do appreciate the new subscribers to the channel. I do appreciate the likes on the Facebook. You guys are wonderful. Thank you for following the information that I do provide for you guys. I'm trying my best to try to give you concise information about metroPCS and T-Mobile. So this is just an intro of metroPCS's BYOD program. I will have more information of the BYOD program in the future review. So just go ahead and, you know, keep your head on your shoulders and keep looking at my Facebook. And speaking of Facebook, I have a Facebook page. Like me on Facebook, metroPCS News and Rumors by Boy to Wonder. Follow me on Twitter at BOI2 WONDER. And if you want, subscribe to the channel. BOI2 WONDER. That's on YouTube. Alright. As you can see here, I got the phones right here. Windows Phone is compatible. Of course, Android phones are. The Apple iPhone is. And feature phones are. Actually, all these phones that you see here are actually compatible with metroPCS service. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. You guys have been amazing. Hopefully this video wasn't that long. Please, if you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section below. Or if you got any more questions, message me on my Facebook page or on Twitter. I'll still get back at you as soon as I can, because I am a working guy. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Like I always say, constructive criticism. You guys be nice to each other. You guys have a great day. God bless you. Peace.